Hello, welcome back to Not a Proper Classic. Today, something I've wanted to do for a long time. Have a go at trying to clean this up and make it a little bit more transparent. It's a little dusty, so I'll give it a quick wipe over. But what I've got in the back of Torvi here is the Maguire's Plast-RX stuff, which is what I've been recommended. And essentially, from what I understand, it's almost like a polish. So put some on there, rub it in, and buff it off. It's not a hot day, it's not a wet day, so it's kind of almost ideal for that. Instructions, I'm actually going to read them. Yeah, apply a small, it says on there, but yeah, put it on, rub it on, wipe it off. See, it seems pretty straightforward. That's my workbench. What do you think? But yeah, I'll get something to give it a wipe over and a little bit of a dust off, and then we'll get going. And I'll whack you up on, I was going to say time lapse. You can watch a little bit of it, and then I'll put you on time lapse for the rest of it. But let's jump in and get the rear window as a window, not as an opaque thing. Right, hopefully this will work. So I've got my pad, got the Maguire stuff. It said test an inconspicuous area, so I might just do down here first. That'd probably help if I took that off. Hang on. Technical issues. It's blue. Alright, let's try that again. A little bit onto the pad. And then it said start in an inconspicuous area. We'll see how this goes. Hopefully it means that the rear window, when it's up, will actually be something you can see out of. That looks like it's made a difference already, you know. And then buffing cloth. Has that made a difference? Has that not made a difference? Maybe. I guess I'll just carry on with the rest of it. It looks like it's alright. So let's keep going. I'll whack you on time lapse for this one now. You can see the line there. So it's done something. Could just be because it's cleaner now. I don't know. But I'll jump in and have a look and see if I can actually tell a difference from inside. So bear with. That's the view from inside. Is a little better. I guess give it a couple more goings over, and I'll have a go from inside as well. But I won't say it's clear, but better maybe. Let's keep going. Time lapse and some funky music coming up. I think that's definitely a noticeable difference. So yeah, I'm going to jump inside, do this side from the inside, and then have a look and see how we go. Because yeah, do the inside and outside, give it a go, and then I can finish up and see how much of a difference it is. It might be something I'll just have to keep doing every now and then, kind of build it up, because it's probably 30 years of never being done. But yeah, let's jump back inside. I don't know how well this is going to work, but we'll try. So it's that side I'm going to try and do, which you can't really see too well. I can't see too much of a difference actually from outside to in, so maybe inside needs to be done a bit more, but let's try. Time lapse, here we come. There is a bit of a difference there. I don't know if you can see it, but hang on, I'll flip you around. Yeah, there's a little bit of a difference. It's coming back out. Yeah, there's a bit there. So I'll do twice on the outside here, inside there, and see how we go. But I think that'll be something I'll do again and again a few times, just to hopefully get off the worst of the sun damaged plastic. Go from there. So next scene will be done. So there we go. I think that's definitely better than it was. I'll jump outside and have a look from there, and there's one final touch I want to do. But yeah, I think there'll be a few more goings over at later dates, but that's better, and I can sort of see what's outside now. That's definitely a lot clearer and better. So, for example, if I'm driving at night with the roof up, it shouldn't be too bad in terms of the blur coming through there. So there's one final touch. So bear with. So, final thing to do, brand him up. Let's see how this goes now. What stays on and what doesn't. Certified lemon now. There you go. I've given that a go. Let me know if you think it's made a bit of a difference. As I say, there'll be a few more over the summer going on. But there you go. I've tried to have a go at cleaning up the rear window, making it uncloudy. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tune in for more on the beat coming soon, and we'll see you next time. Cheers, guys.